Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a few of the commands which are used while hacking. So let's get started. So first, you need to start your command prompt on Windows, and then what you can do. So let's say if you have to know the IP address of any website, what you can do, you can just ping, then the website name, and just enter. So you will see. So this is nothing but the IP address of the website which you have entered, and you will get the IP address. So second command is nslookup, which is used for resolving the DNS into the IP address. So what you can do, you can just nslookup and then website name. So you will see the server and the address of server and the website name and the addresses of that website name. So this is nothing but we are resolving the DNS into the IP address. Next, we have a command that is ipconfig. So let's say if you want to see your IP address, your gateway, DNS, and other information about the network, then what you can do, you can just use command ipconfig and then all. So you will see this is the information which is present of your computer. So if I go up and check what is the information, so yeah, you can see the host name and then the IP routing, DNS is there, then I have Ethernet adapter and adapter information, then VMware network, its information, wireless LAN adapter, Wi-Fi. So if I am having any Wi-Fi, then it will show that information also. And what else it is showing? Adapter, Ethernet adapter, yeah, wireless LAN adapter. So this is the information which is available with your system. You can just use the command ipconfig and all, and it will show all the information. So now the next command is, let's say you have to display a root path between your computer and the website you are connecting to. So what you can do, you can just use a command tracer and the name of a website on which you have to check the root. So yeah, okay, so there is some spelling mistake, but yeah, so you can see it is finding or tracing the route to the particular website which I have entered, and it will show the possible routes between my computer and the website. So the command name is tracer. So it is still pinging the websites and then checking the route, tracing the route. So it will take some time to trace the route according to the server connection and the internet speed. So this is sending the packets to the server and which will ping back to the computer. So let's wait for some time so that it will trace all the route. So it is taking more time than the anticipated time. We'll wait till it gets resolved or till the route is traced completely. So meanwhile, what we can do, we can just open another command prompt, and we can check the other commands till that tracing gets finished. So whenever we have to look for the ARP table, what we can do, we can just type a command ARP dash A. So it will show you the ARP table. You can see the interface ARP table, and it will have all the information of your physical address, internet address, and type, whether it is a static or dynamic. So this information is available with this. So for that, you can just write ARP and dash A command. Then we have next command. Whenever you have to print a routing table, gateway, and the interface and matrix, you can, what you can do, you can just use a command route and print. So it will just print. Okay, so just a second. You can see all the information which is available there. So manipulates the network routing table. So these are nothing but the route gateways, routing table, gateway. Then we have interfaces and the matrix. Then ipconfig we have already saw. So there is one more command which is related to ipconfig only. If you only want to see the IP address, you can just only write a ipconfig and enter. So it will show only the ipconfig address of configuration address, or the IP address of your website. Oh, sorry, your computer. So yeah, we can just maybe run reset here, and apart from that, I can just take another website. So, or maybe I will go with same website. So this website is not present. Now when we go, so yeah, the server is not responding. That is why it is taking a time. Now you see both are stuck at the same level. Yeah, so this is running. So it got reply from the server, and it is tracing the route again. So you see it is tracing the address or the route, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is nothing but the route, and you see trace is complete. So this is the route and how my computer is getting connected to that website. So you just need to use the command tracer, and you will have to add the address at the end. So it will trace the route from your computer to the website. So that's it guys, that's it for the video. Thank you.